first snow in British Columbia. Not everywhere in British Columbia, but in our city. So I have a Cybertruck here, which I'm going to drive today because I want to see how it is behaving in a snow condition. While these are not winter tires, they should behave properly in such conditions. And this is what I want to check today with this guy. A little funny video. A couple of words about the Cybertruck. I started preheating about 10 minutes ago, and it's interesting because, as you can see here, the camera on the side has melted the snow. This one is kind of covered, so it doesn't have any accumulation for the snow. So the only way it get abstracted is from the mud coming from the rear wheels. And I believe it has melted snow on the arc of the wheel as well. Interestingly, it didn't melt anything on the windshield. It's pretty slippery. Pretty slippery today. But it is incredibly beautiful. Okay, I guess let's go. Let's jump in the car. Beautiful weather today. I love it. I love it, absolutely. Oh my goodness. It's so warm in here. Okay. All right, and I guess the wiper test. Yeah. I should be very careful driving this car because I don't know how it will handle this snow, and I want to make sure that I'm safe, the car is safe, and everyone around is safe. So without further ado, let's start, I guess. So just for you to understand what kind of condition I'm driving into is this kind. It's very foggy and the visibility is quite limited. Also, it brakes amazingly well on these tires in this kind of snow, yeah. So shouldn't be an issue at all. Oh my god. I still need to get used to this windshield wiper. It's crazy huge. Okay, the roads are not too bad already, but the visibility is pretty much limited. Although it's not too bad again. It's drivable. So yeah, you gotta be just careful, as you always should be. In my opinion, if you pick up your Cybertruck in the winter and you need to drive somewhere for a longer distance back to your home, I think you should be careful for sure, because these are not winter tires, but at the same time I feel that they behave very well in the snow, and they are somewhat winter rated tires, so they are fine for snow, but well, definitely not the best solution for bad snowy conditions, but they are completely fine, I would say, and the truck feels very, very controllable. Also, an interesting thing that I noticed that the rear view camera is staying actually clean. I think they moved it a little bit higher and the angle is slightly different. That's nice little touch too, so they definitely have improved this thing as well. Okay, it's time to go home. So yeah, this is a short video. I just wanted to get my Cybertruck outside and drive a little bit in the snow, because this is the first snow and a lot of people asked me how does it behave in the snow, can it handle it, are the tires rated for any kind of snow, and I would say that it behaves pretty well. There is no any funny business when you turn or anything like that, so your car is staying stable in the snow, so which is great. If you are up to some extensive driving, I would say that I would probably drive during the daytime if I had a choice. But again, snow is not an issue. What usually becomes an issue when it's snowing is a fog, like this one, the thickest that I've ever seen, a couple of years ago. For those who need to drive in the mountains at night, I would recommend to think twice, because these conditions are no joke. For this situation, I would use the best possible snow tires, simply for maximum traction. But for a regular road that is only slightly covered in snow, as it usually is, the OEM tires would be just fine. I heard that probably an ice is an issue for these kind of tires, but again, I haven't checked it yet, and probably you will, so be careful. Anyway, so this is a short video about a Cybertruck in the first snow, and it's not an extensive snow or anything like that, just some first snow fun stuff. Thank you for your time.